In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert equations in Microsoft Word using the Insert tab. This process will help you seamlessly integrate complex mathematical expressions into your documents, which can be incredibly useful for students, educators, and professionals alike. So let's dive right into the steps, starting with accessing your Microsoft Word file. First, open up your Microsoft Word document where you want to insert the equation. Once your document is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the screen where the various tabs such as Home, Insert, and Design are located. Click on the Insert tab. This tab houses many features that allow you to enhance your document, including tables, illustrations, and symbols. However, our dedicated focus will be on adding an equation. After clicking on the Insert tab, locate the Equation option, which is usually associated with an icon of an alpha symbol. Clicking this will present you with the option to create an equation from scratch directly in your document. When you click Equation, you'll see a Design tab appear with various equation structures. This is where the magic happens. In this section, you're given access to numerous mathematical tools and symbols. Within this group, find the Radical option. You'll notice it includes choices such as square roots and nth roots. For this demonstration, we'll keep it simple and select the basic square root. Click on it, and it will appear in your document. Now you'll find a placeholder within the square root symbol that you can utilize to input the specific mathematical expression or numbers you need under the root. Begin typing your desired expression or number inside this placeholder. A fantastic feature of Word is that it automatically adjusts the size of the radical to accommodate longer expressions. This is incredibly handy as it allows you to focus on the content without worrying about formatting issues. It ensures that regardless of the length of your text, the presentation remains neat and legible. Once you're satisfied with your equation, you can click outside the equation box, and your document will be beautifully updated with your newly inserted mathematical expression. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully learned how to insert and format equations in Microsoft Word, which can now be frequently used for future projects and presentations. If you ever need to edit the equation, simply click back into the equation box and you can make any necessary adjustments. This flexibility is invaluable, especially when working on documents that require revisions or updates. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it made the process of adding equations in Microsoft Word easier to understand. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher or share it with anyone you know who might find it helpful. Happy typing, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.